Contract Lifecycle Management Solution, or CLM, can really help you manage and organize your business. It really can help you streamline your contracting process in a way that would support your business and will increase the productivity and efficiency. CLM is something that can benefit both big legal department and organization, but also it can be very quite impactful and benefiting to much smaller organizations and legal department. So why do you need a CLM solution? And it really just depends on what kind of operation you're running. It will really streamline your contracting process that is, I'm sure, very critical to your business. It is an opportunity to centralize your contracting process, really get data-driven insights, make important decisions based on information, and really make this process transparent, predictable, collaborative for everyone. The ability to make searches across all of your contracts and the ability to get relevant results will be absolutely helpful to your business. The opportunity to track contracts through various stages from creation to negotiation to management will really give you a lot of data so that you can plan your resources and make intelligent decisions about your business. The control that you will gain in the process to control your templates and to provide timely advice will really increase your impact and collaboration across the enterprise. The ability to measure all your activities and how quickly you respond and whether your responses are helpful will really help you fine-tune your impact on organization. The CLM can really help you manage your regulatory and compliance obligation and really keep track of things that matter to your legal department and to your business. The CLM, or Contract Lifecycle Management software, can be a great partner for you, for your legal department, and for your business.